Stop looking for a shortcut. There's not a shortcut. There's not a shortcut. There's only the long way. And the shortcuts take just as much as time as the long way. There's no shortcuts, bro. You have to do the hard thing. You're going to have to do the hard thing. And if you're ready to hear what that hard thing is, how to get to that goal, listen to this video. Listen to this video, because these shortcuts, these fat burners, pills, none of this will work if you don't listen to this video. This video will tell you the truth of how to get you lean, how to lose the weight, how to lose the fat, okay? I was depressed, man. I was in a dark place and I was really obese. You know, I was quite unattractive to look at as well. And, you know, praise be to God, alhamdulillah, I've lost a lot of weight now. You know, and I've lost over 50 to 60 kilograms, depending on what day it is, you know what I mean? And this is the way my diet changed. Okay, so in the beginning, I was loving ice cream and crisps. Oh, I loved them, man. And I ate biscuits and everything under the sun, all the little unhealthy treats, yeah. And then I wanted to start actually looking nice. So I started training. I started going to the gym and releasing my stress in the gym. But I knew I needed to change my diet. I tried fasting. I tried lots of different diets. But really, well and truly, what it is I started prepping my meals. I started making meals in little pots and bringing them to school with me, bringing them to work with me, and eating healthier in general. I had chicken breasts. I had sort of frozen veg with rice, you know, and starting prepping these meals not only made me filling meals, which I loved. I loved these filling meals. I put a little bit of spice on them. But it made my body healthier, allowed me to perform better in the gym, it allowed me to think clearer with these thoughts. Because when you eat these ice creams, your blood sugar spikes and you feel lethargic and slow all day. But you see, when you eat these healthy meals, it makes you feel strong. It makes you feel proud. Oh, I'm eating a healthy meal. I'm actually eating a healthy meal. I'm not eating that rubbish, you know? And you feel proud of yourself. You made a good meal. So how can we do this? How can you start applying this to your life? How can we start prepping meals? How can we start eating healthier? First of all, we need to be mindful of what we're actually eating. This can help. We can do this by having a book that you write down what you eat every day. You know, we can have, just start noticing what you eat. If you don't have a book to write down, just message yourself, text yourself what you eat every day. Text yourself, whenever you eat something, text, I ate 2 biscuits. I ate a chicken breast. Text yourself what you're eating. That simple. And then look back at every day. Wow, I'm eating quite a lot. Notice I'm eating quite a lot there. Maybe I shouldn't eat that many biscuits. Maybe I should replace them biscuits with an apple. That's how we start doing it. Habits are very hard to replace. They're very hard to replace. They're very hard to break, but they're easier to replace. So if we are used to having a biscuit at a certain time of day, maybe we should replace that biscuit with an apple or an orange, for example. And then we have to start actually preparing our meals. Stop saying, oh, I haven't eaten all day. It's all right if I have a McDonald's because I ain't eaten all day. That McDonald's still is unhealthy. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you've not eaten all day. It's still an unhealthy meal. You're still going to gain fat from it because it's an unhealthy meal. It doesn't matter if you haven't eaten all day or not. It's an unhealthy meal. Don't eat the McDonald's, bro. So we need to make ourselves a meal. And if you're lazy, that's all right, because meal prepping is super easy. Rice you put on to cook and leave it. Boom. Leave it for 20 minutes. Come back, and then put it to the side. Put it in a container. Put it in the fridge. Simple. Yeah. What else? Chicken. We can get frozen chicken breast from the shop. I can even get halal frozen chicken breast from the shop at Tesco. I can get a kg of it. Yeah. You could get that out of the freezer. Chuck it on a tray. Chuck it in the oven for like 35 minutes. Boom. That's your chicken breast done. You don't even have to stand there on a pan and mix everything around if you don't want. Yeah? Even fish, tilapia, 20 minutes to cook in the oven. And then even your vegetables you can get frozen. You can get frozen spinach, put it in a pan, whack it in there, leave it for 5 minutes, and you get back and you got You got spinach cooked for you in the boiling water. Simple, bruv. Then you have a healthy meal right there. Spinach, rice and chicken. Spinach, rice and fish. Just eat these simple meals, mate. Just whatever you're eating now, if you're eating McDonald's or very high calorie sources, try to cut them out and eat healthier. Because not only will your performance and your life feel better, but you'll look great. You know, your mindset will be clearer. You'll be able to be more productive during the day. You know? And this is difficult. It's difficult, it's hard. Fat loss is hard. You know, saying no to that Ben and Jerry's you want, the ice cream you want. Oh, saying no to the cakes and the sweets, and you want to eat boatloads of rice with curry. Oh gosh, I want to eat it all. And saying no to eating the 7 plates at the buffet, it's difficult. But you have to sacrifice. You have to sacrifice what is easy. You have to sacrifice what you want right now for the bigger plan, for the greater plan. You know, don't be a fiend to this addiction of food. Don't give in to this worldly desire of food. Because that's exactly what it is. It's like drugs. You find comfort in it. You have a bad day, you find comfort in it. You're really impatient at this thing you really want in life. You find comfort in the food. Don't fall for this worldly desire, bruv. You need to master it, control it, and be a man. Man up. Because nobody else is going to push you along that finish line, bruv. No one else is going to cry for you, bro. You need to do this yourself. Okay? If you want help with a diet plan, workout plan, I'll tell you what to eat, how to train. Yeah? Give me a message. If you need creatine, that's my creatine brand right there. Give me a message and I'll sort you out, bruv. Get out there and kill it.